woza Soccer Beat yethu yayazi for nina sikhona okokoko apha ku YouTube. Ndibuyile ke ndimphethe OJ nithethile naye nathumela ii-questions zenu nathumela ii-comments ngoba nivuyile umbona. Hey OJ, bavuyile abantu ukubona mfondini. Hey ndiyakuxelela OJ, I'm going to read one, ndizakufundela one comment OJ. Ithi from at Chicozy Cloud Katuchelo. Gone are the days where we only read news on kickoff. I don't even have a question. I just love the fact that we are allowed to see and even talk to him. Ikwenza ufile njani lonto OJ?
Ngijabulisa kakhulu bhuti wami because it's like kunesilonda engishile kubantu in my football career. So ukuthi nje abantu bangijabulele even though I'm even retired with football and still respect me ngale ndlela bangirespecta ngayo, ingijabulisa kakhulu. Vele nangangenzela bona ama-supporters ukuthi abe happy when they see OJ play.
Chapha. OJ yayazi apha ku Soccer Beat sicela ama-fans asubscribele sizokhula amandoda the community ukuze nizokwazi xa nibuya OJ yazi bakho abantu abaninzi ababukelayo yabo. Please hit the subscribe button bafethu. OJ ufuna ubuya athethe nani nibaninzi. Masiqale ngiyoqala OJ. All the questions OJ awasuki kimi nje yami aphuma kuma-fans kwifamily yethu la ku Soccer Beat yethu. So mina ayingimi out yami ngifilter nje, I'm the messenger. Eyoqala isuka ku at the spot 7804 at the spot 7804. Uba umbokazi angakufonela OJ, what advice would you give to Mbokazi to develop himself into the top defender that you were, that can end up playing in one of the top 5 European leagues? Indoni mhlawumbe uMbokazi bangafika athi bra OJ ngicela ukukhuluma nawe man Grootman. Awungay advice.
Bhuti wami ngiyayizwa question. Yena usenendlela eseyihambile already because already he's playing opposites. You understand? Lokho kukodwa ese ukhuluma enye into ngaye ukuthi ngendlela azimisele ngayo kwayena ku-football career yakhe nabantu abam-advisayo kwi-career yakhe, they are on a good path. They are really on a good path. So engizothanda ukukuraiza kakhulu i-foundation asezibhildele yona nge-World Cup nje, performance yakhe ayidlale ku-World Cup. It's very big, my brother. It's anginawo ngisho namazwi because ungikhombisile, angikhulume ngami, ungikhombisile ukuthi he's there. He can do it for me. Yes, I can advise him, kodwa kuye kusukele kuyena umuntu ukuthi yena ufuna ukuphelelaphi ngalento aphiwe yona, because i-talent is pure bro wami, kuyisiphiwo. So if isiphiwo sakho ungakwazi ukusukumisa wena, ayekho omunye umuntu ozoza nge-advice bese ucabanga ukuthi leso siphiwo sakho sizosukuma just because umunye umuntu uthe yenza ukuthi nokuthi cha, kusukela kuwena kuqala nawe ukuthi ukwazi ukuziphusha, ukwazi ukuzinikeza confident, ukwazi ukuzithemba ukuthi this is the limelight I'm facing and already abantu they talking about me and they comparing ngomunye umuntu who done into efana nale aphezu kwayo. So akukuningi engizokusho kuMbokazi. For me, he's done very well so far and he's gonna go far. Mbokazi, he's gonna go far. Ukuthi he surprises me, I don't care. As long as he's doing the right thing, then I'm happy. I'm happy.
Yo OJ, Soccer Beat family angazi bafethu, ndinenyama enkukhu. Yazi inyama enkukhu? Nayi mfethu. look, by just uzwa wena ama-goosebumps ukhuluma nje ngombokazi, I've got inyama enkukhu ndoda. That is beautiful. Ngiyabonga OJ.
Intwana, we need to give it credit kwintwana.
Sure.
He has done so very well so far, mfethu. He has done from Sokwe Pirates, Chicago, World Cup. I mean, mfethu, what more do we need from him?
Awekhanile OJ.
What more do we need from him? Because sonke we are satisfied ngombokazi. Sonke we are satisfied ngombokazi performance, futhi especially kwi-World Cup. Ngiyabona kade wadlala kwi-Chicago. World Cup was a test. It was a real testing. And a serious test. Le ezombeka somewhere in football and izombeka somewhere the football career yakhe.
Hayi inhle OJ. Hayi and udlalile umfana khona. Masiye ku @lakhe honey @lakhe honey. Tell me OJ, let me this one. Noma siqala phezweni ezweni. Anitshele abazeduze nebafana ukuthi uTLP akashaye ama direct free kick. And bengingathanda ashoshele phambili like wena no Fish bese ethatha ama shots. Uyizwa njani le?
Ukhombisile ukuthi he's capable of doing it. And now my fans, nathi masimbona, yes, he's good. He's got a very good technique and left back, and left back is very strong. He's very just strong. So for me, I think it's something that angabuildela kuyona. Abuild game yakhe going forward. Angabi i-defender ezohlala nje emuva kube yi-defender nje kodwa but when you build i-career yakho nawe self or you build i-play yakho nawe self lezo zinto ezinjalo uzilungise ngisho nasejimini because ila uziqala khona. Yayibona lento ngeke ziqhamuke sizwe usuyozenza kwi-World Cup ungazange waziphethe. So I would say ukuthi akasimnikezeni isikhathi athi naye build i-play yakhe because uhlakaniphile kakhulu. He's come on the ball, he's got good passes, he's got good switches. I think yeah, mhlambe naye uzibonile ukuthi when he advances kwi-game eyaphambili he can help i-team. Not ukuthi agcine a defender kuphela kodwa but he can still help i-team even going forward, taking those free kick okade ukhuluma ngawo bamnikeze i-chance kwesinye isikhathi because kwesinye isikhathi ama-defender kuye kuthiwe awume kancane ithathwe noma i-strike ithathwe noma i-left back babhendene yabo kanti manje uMbokazi akabhendi kuyavuthulula nje phakathi net. Uyayibona leyo. So yeah, asimnikezeni i-chance just asikamjahini ukumfunza ngezinto ey'ningi umfana but along the way uzokhula and uzozibona izinto and then uzoba right. Mina I believe kakhulu kuMbokazi. I really believe kakhulu. He's still got a room to grow his career or his football style sakhe nje.
Yeah.
Uyayibona leyo.
Uthethe kamnandi because now I can go back to the question at Lake Honey. Lakhe Honey @Lakhe Honey. Uti OJ, mawumbhekile uMbokazi, I think uti tell me OJ, what advice do you have for Mbokazi to improve to be a complete player? Mhlawumbe masichintshe kancane @Lakhe Honey because ukhe wayiphendula kancane sithi ikhona weakness oyibonayo kuMbokazi, any weakness oyibonayo OJ kuMbokazi, and do you think la weakness kuzafuneka asebenze kuyo la weakness or is it a weakness ano survivor nje without yona?
Yes, i-weakness yakhe i-health that I can criticize ngayo. And I'll hope ukuthi angayithathi kambi but if engayilungisa i-football style sakhe singakhula ngenye indlela. Ake ngimcriticize ngento ey'ningi because it's just one thing. Yes, uMbokazi is too strong. Yes, uyadinga vele ukuba strong as a defender. But kunama-players who are very nippy, where you can end up getting ama-yellow card, getting a-red card, ngane ngokuya too hard. Yayibona le nto bhuti wami. Ebengingathanda ukumnikeza yona i-advice on that, athi work on his anticipation kakhulu. How to read the game, how to go around defenders and just win the ball without using much power. Yes. Athi be able ukuthi akwazi ukutshontsha ibhola without afake amandla kakhulu. Angazi noma ngiyazwakala yini. So ilapho la ngingamhlaba khona, kodwa futhi angimhlabi kakhulu because he's still young. Into no-coach, I think mayiqhubeka kwi-football career yakhe abazom-advise futhi nangayo. But sometimes you don't need to go and just boom umuntu. You know, you need to be able how to steal the ball and carry on the play by anticipation nebhola and then advancing, going forward. And ngizobuyela kuleya question akade ngathi kuyichaza kancane bebuza ukuthi ungam-advise kanjani mayiya phambili e-advance. So kudinga lawo ma-elements kanjalo ama-anticipation, how to read the game, azom-allow ukuthi akwazi hhayi ukuthi ayorwa nomuntu but still the ball, still futhi sibe ne-possession ezokwazi ukuthi mayihlaba lapha aphinde alicele laphaya bese yakwazi uku-advance bese shaya lamabhomu wakhe-ke. So nje kulapha akukho okukhulu kakhulu, kulapho nje into encane kodwa ngiyazi vele eventually into abazombonisa yona o-coach esikhambeni kwesikhathi.
Hey, and simbonile OJ ayithatha kwi-Pirates, uyakhumbula la goal yakhe last season. Ayithatha kwi-Pirates wayibeke left, wayithola back, wayiphusha kayi-1 washaya baba. I think unayo, I think yeah, ikhona nyani la move. I think if angayiperfecta ingayi-secret weapon yakhe. Eyokugcina kule part 1 OJ, eyokugcina for this part 1. At Martin Gasa, JB8YG, uthi yena, siyacela OJ, this is not even a question. You should be more visible in our football. People like you can help us by scouting and bringing up the best defenders and midfielders with character. Ikwenza ufile njani xa usiva akakubuzi nombuzo OJ, lo muntu ufile just mabakashiye le message.
Mfethu kulokho nami I believe in myself through experience engiyitholile in South African football, even overseas, ukuthi really if been given a chance abantu abazongisupporta, abantu abangeke bangiblame from kwi-past yami kodwa but they will look at more at my experience and support me konke lokho going forward. I think I can be really helpful. Kuningi, I know football. Ngisebenza no-coach abaningi. I've got the experience in South African football. So even noma kuthiwa ngingena ey'nganeni or ngingena mhlawumbe kuma-under 17 somewhere, giving that support ukuthi okay OJ, we know ukuthi you've got this knowledge about football, so this is what we're giving you and we're gonna support you. Hhayi ukuthi abantu abazonginikeza umsebenzi kodwa bebe bengicuphile ngapho ukuthi once kwenzakala mistake encane and then sengiyoshawa ngaleyo mistake and then forgetting about i-experience ekumele ngithi give ku-South African football. Yes, omunye angihlaba athi hayi OJ nawe phela kumele uziphathe kahle. Of course I have to be disciplined to achieve that because akusiyona into encane, it's something that can change iy'mpilo zomuntu or can change impilo yomfana it can change even ibhola lase-South Africa, helping labo bantu, helping ama-players nje ase-South Africa with knowing nje i-experience yokudlala phesheya, ne-experience yokudlala kuBafana Bafana. How do you really have to ukuthi uziphathe ngakhona? So I still believe in myself. And angijahile kodwa but opportunity will come. I know the opportunity izofika and I will prove myself ukuthi yes, I can help South African football with my knowledge.
But ungawari Soccer Beat family. Uzaba khona okokoko apha ku Soccer Beat yethu. So keep on sending ama-questions. Now ama-questions mara ngifuna unika nini ithuba as ama-fans ngoba yini abakhalile kuma-comments nathi niyathokoza manibona us-OJ, niyathokoza manithola ithuba lokuthi nimbuze imibuzo directly ngoba as ishilo nayo OJ kuningi akwenzile and besenzela nina ama-supporter. So nithumela imibuzo, u-OJ uzaba khona. The more ekhuluma la mhlambe kuzawuthi kube umuntu omamelayo amnikele elithuba linidayo. Okwangoku sisathi enkosi kakhulu OJ. Bingu part 1 usezawuphendula eminye imibuzo OJ bafethu, so stick around. This is Soccer Beat yethu. My name is Umjaka. Soccer Beat, what?